Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulkari Kombimo Manasir. My matrix number 08DPR20F1017. And today I'm going to share with you guys how to upgrade your RAM in your laptop Acer Aspire 5. Let's go. First of all, the back panel is removed by using the magnetic screwdriver to remove the screw. After that, the back panel is pulled by using the plectrum type tools with caution. Do not pull the back panel too hard. Then, the RAM slot is defined. The notch in the new stick of RAM is lined up with the ridge in the RAM slot. Afterwards, the stick of RAM is pushed at 45-degree angle until the pins are disappeared. Do not force the RAM to be inserted into the slot. Subsequently, the stick of RAM is pressed down to click it into the place. The small metal holder on either side hold the stick in the place when it is inserted properly. After that, the access back panel is pressed into the place. Lastly, the back panel is screwed on and your Acer Aspire is switched on. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys can try it at home, do it by yourself and learn something. And that's all for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.